traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I'm definitely still very bullish on the Aussie dollar overall. I still think it's going to end up going up, probably to at least a 78% Fibonacci extension. I still think this is a W, I still think this is an X, and I still think we're going to make an ABC of wave Y, most likely taking it up above these previous highs. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, first of all, I still think this is an A. I still think this is three ways down, WXY of wave B. That would make this right here a wave 1. That would make this a big ABC of 2. I think there's a very good likelihood that this is going to keep on going up for the wave 3 of wave C to form that pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame, my structural break on the daily is actually this area right here. So if and when it breaks that structure, that is what's going to turn me into a buyer overall. So far, it really hasn't broken up yet. It definitely looks like it wants to. It has a huge spike candle right at the 78%. If it breaks up, I will definitely start looking for longs at that point at the end of every pullback I see. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, we actually haven't really broken that structure yet. So if it does reject the structure, make a big engulfing move to the downside, I personally will definitely sort it again. There's really no proof that the trend is over until it breaks and holds above this structure really strong. So we are going to keep a very close eye on that and that structure level. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. So if price goes down and breaks below this low, then I definitely will take it as a short. It might even go all the way back down. If price actually does keep on pushing up and breaks and holds above these highs, then that's what's going to turn me into a buyer. I'm not going to buy right away, but at the beginning of the first pullback, I will definitely be looking to buy for the continuation of the uptrend. So as usual, I'm just following along, taking it one step at a time. If it breaks structure, I'll definitely turn into a buyer at pullbacks. If it doesn't break and it rejects structure, then I will continue to look for shorts just like I've been doing for the past several weeks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.